coming to you from my bathroom, and I know you're wondering, what the heck? That ain't your usual cute self. You lying. You know I'm still cute. But this video is gonna be all about my Sunday wash routine, how I get my hair to be nice and clean and super moisturized. And today's wash video, we're gonna be using the Lady Shelly line, the full line, to get our hair super nice and our scalp super clean and our hair smelling So if you want to find out all about these products that are Jamaican made, let me just add that, Jamaican made, and all about my wash routine, then let's go.
First thing I like to do when I wash my hair is just to saturate it with water before I add any products, just because I feel like I use a lot less and the products work better. Now we're gonna start with the Stunning Start Nourishing Shampoo from the Lady Shelly line, and I just use this first wash to basically remove all that build up from my hair, because I do use a lot of gel throughout the week. So this wash is really just to take off that film of build up and products on my hair. And I just work this through the perimeters because generally my hair is in one, so I just work that through and I rinse it out, and then we move on to the second wash. So the second wash is where all the magic happens. That's where my hair really gets clean. It really gets all of the goodness from washing, and I just work this through my hair, and I really focus on my scalp, because once your scalp's clean, your hair's clean. Or that's how I feel, you know what I mean? Because all the products will rush through to the end of your hair, but I really focus on the scalp to get it clean, because I feel like your hair smells so much fresher that way. And just something to note, this product has tea tree oil in it, so you do get like a little tingly, massagey feeling when you're washing your hair, which I absolutely love. I think it's so nice. And the shampoo is sulphate free, so you don't have to worry about all that damage to your hair. So while I'm washing my hair, of course, I'm drumming to my favorite tunes, because that's just who I am. I be loving music. So just focusing on my scalp, working through sections, and getting my hair clean. This is important. This is why we wash our hair, for it to be clean, right? Right. Now, once we've done that, and I'm satisfied with how clean my hair is, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this out. Y'all remember that Herbal Essence commercial? Yes, yes, yes. Listen, it's a scam. First of all, I almost choked. I almost died. But when I'm washing my hair, I'm like so focused on hurrying up to finish, because I need to open my eyes to make sure there's not a killer waiting on me while I'm washing my hair. You know? Just me? Okay, can't relate? Okay, no problem. We're gonna move on to conditioning our hair now. And this part is where I detangle my hair. So the type of conditioner I use is super important to me. So I like to use conditioners that have a lot of slip, so it's easier for me to detangle my hair. This conditioner does just that. Like, my hair gets so much slip, I detangle my hair in like legit seconds. It was so easy to detangle. And of course I use my Denman brush to detangle, and my hair was just feeling so soft, you know. Conditioner is supposed to bring back that nice softness to your hair and the moisture, and this is such a moisturizing conditioner, and it did it for me. So here's a lens check for you guys. You know my hair be thriving, not really, but you know we trying. So once I detangled my hair, I keep the twist in when I rinse it out, just because I don't want my hair to get matted all over again. I don't want to undo all that work that I just did. So I just go through and rinse out the conditioner out of my hair, and then I just like to squeeze out any excess water, and then I use my microfiber towel and just put that over my hair. Microfiber is great for your hair because it doesn't dry it out.
So now our hair is clean. It's smelling nice and fresh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna be doing a quick twist out style. And of course I'm going to be using the rest of the line from the Shelly products. So I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, as well as some of the hydrating mist per section, and just going in and moisturizing the hair, and then we'll start the style.
Through the different sections of our hair, I'm just taking a few pumps of the leave-in conditioner and using this to moisturize my hair, and taking a few pumps of the hydrating mist as well, putting that all throughout my hair and just working it in with my hands and finger detangling while I'm doing that. These products are super moisturizing and they're just amazing. And I just do that until I work through all the sections, and then it's time to finish the style.
My hair is now fully moisturized. It feels so soft and nice, guys. Like, ooh, no lies, like it feels so good. So now we're gonna move into the styling process, and I wanted something super simple because I genuinely don't like combing my hair for too long. I'm gonna show you guys again just how I use the products and do the styling. So I take some of the scalp balm and I take a little and I use that to oil my scalp, moisturize my scalp. Then I go in with a little more of the hydrating mist, mostly putting it on the ends of my hair because that's the oldest part of your hair and that should be dry. Then I go in with a little of the gel from root to end. I detangle, and to sealing all that moisture I take some of the oil and I just palm it into the hair. Then I braid the root. I just do a quick braid. And then twist out the ends. And to make sure that my twist is smooth, I go back in with my Denman brush and just comb that out so my curls can clump. Then I twist all the way to the end. And then I just use my finger and twine the ends. And boom! That's it! So I'm just going to complete the process throughout my entire hair and show you what it looks like. Now that our hair is completely twisted, we are finished. All we have to do now is wait for our hair to dry. And of course, you could let this hair dry overnight. I ain't got that kind of time. So I'm going to go under my dryer for a couple minutes and then allow it to air dry the rest of the way. And then come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Remember how I hyped on you guys earlier to say I ain't got that kind of time? Turns out your girl did, because it is the whole of next day and here I am finishing this video. So I'm just gonna pull the twists out and show you guys what it looks like. But I wanted to say that, like, throughout all of yesterday, I couldn't stop staring at my hair thinking, ooh, she looks so good and moisturized, and oh, my hair look good, y'all. So I'm hoping that these twists look good. So I'm going to just take some of the oil and use it to coat my hands, rub the excess on my hair, you know, shiny, healthy. Ooh, I just realized how nice the oil smelled. Alright, now we're just gonna unravel these bad boys. But I gotta take my time. Guys, that is my full Sunday wash routine, complete with a super simple but super cute twist out. I really hope this video was helpful for you and that you guys will try out the Lady Shelly products. They're really nice, they smell amazing. Y'all can see my hair moisturized AF. Like, honey, why not try them? They're Jamaican made, they're by a Jamaican, like Shelly and Fraser is responsible for this line. Like, hello,
You can pick them up at your local beauty supply store. I know you can get them in Fontana for sure, but I'll leave it on the screen or in the description which locations you can pick them up. But guys, give it a try. I think it's definitely worth the investment. They smell amazing. They clearly work amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.